Oh my heck.
Whoa.
Oh,
We just
man.
witnessed an accident. Okay, there's one coming up behind you, so like put on your hazards. Okay.
Everybody okay?
Yeah.
What happened?
What are you doing?
What in the hell is wrong with people? They don't know how to drive anymore. What the hell? Leave that thing at home, brother.
Jesus! Okay, Garmin. Save video.
In my opinion. Good. So it doesn't bug me in any way that they're not going to be funding them anymore. Right. And like I said, I didn't know they were to begin with. Right. Now, don't misunderstand. If he gets elected, radical leftist socialism is going to be the order of the day. He is not going to be responsible for it because he is not going to be the day-to-day president. I'm just talking literally now.
Okay, Garmin. classics.
He's leaving on that big fat train to Georgia.
Living on that big fat train to Georgia.
Said he's going
Fuel
back
to
to
go.
town.
You're going the wrong way.
Lives like place and time. Oh, yes, he did. He said he was. Yeah, I'll be with you.
I know you will.
On that big fat train to Georgia.
Living on the big fat train to Georgia.
To Southern gospel standards.
They sang this.
Mama sang tonight.
It's a roundabout. Figure out how.
What are you doing? Stay in your car. I'm pulling you over. Why are you pulling me over? I was parked. Stay in your car. Okay, you're being recorded and live streamed to YouTube right now.
Stay in your car, please.
Why am I being stopped?
Because the plates on your vehicle come up to someone who's deceased, so sit in your vehicle, please.
Well, no kidding they are.
Have a seat.
You can come and check my registration. Do a proper traffic stop on me. Don't be a jerk to me. I'm with Cop Watch.
Get back.
You're getting downloaded onto YouTube right now.
Get back in your vehicle, please.
You're live streaming to YouTube.
That's fine. Get back. Okay, yeah, it's be 5 blocks north, and you're going to second, and then it'll be about 8 blocks that way. Okay. You sure you don't need a ride? Okay. Okay, I'll just grab your license from you, please, sir.
So the reason you pulled me over is because I'm watching you, eh? What's your badge number?
It's 813.
What's your name?
It's Constable Seal.
Okay, thank you very much. Hey, you want the registration or not? Because that's the reason you said you pulled me over.
Because I can pull up the plate.
Well, I mean,
I don't need a copy of registration.
okay,
I pulled up
because
the
it
plate.
says registered user right here on the
only-
registration.
The only thing that I want to make sure, because this comes up.
The only reason you pulled me over is because I'm a cop watcher. Go do your
have-
thing and bring me back my
If I can
license.
please talk to you, sir.
Have a great day. Quickly.
I'm gonna
I don't
explain
have
this-
patience for people that are tyrants. Go ahead. That's probably number 27 right there. We don't really know.
Can I help you? Is everything okay?
Yeah, they're watching you because I called them actually, so they're watching you.
Okay, it's fine. Here you go. You're free to go. I just want to make sure you had a valid
Well, of
license.
course I'm free to go. So what did you do harassing me for this? Why were you harassing me exactly?
I tried to explain to you earlier. You don't
Why
let me
did you
finish.
pull me over for the reason, period?
If you're not going to let me
The
finish
specific
talking.
reason you pulled me over. What
I-
traffic violation did I do?
Okay, if you're not going to let me finish talking, if you're just going to talk over me and just make a show
You
of
say
this,
what the answer to the question is instead of
I'm
double
going to
talking
explain
me.
that to you.
Why did you pull me over?
Under the traffic safety laws, we're allowed to pull anyone over to ensure they have a valid driver's license. And when I ran your plate, when you were recording me back there, I ran your plate when you drove off,
Okay.
and it came up to someone who's deceased. So I wanted to ensure you had a valid license, and you do, so you're free to go.
So now you know exactly what you said. You pulled me over because you were recording, that I was recording you.
I
You
ran
just
your-
said that on camera.
I ran
Go
your-
away. Have a great night.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself. Here comes your complaint.